Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have tools ready. Start by drawing a horizon line and a single vanishing point. This controls all depth. Use a ruler to draw a front-facing rectangle. That rectangle is the house face, so make its proportions deliberate. Once done, draw light guidelines from each corner toward the vanishing point to show depth. Make sure to keep strokes light because you will erase them later. These first steps lock in perspective, and they let you build a 3D house that reads correctly from any angle. Once the base is set, extend the side edges of the front rectangle toward the vanishing point to create the house's depth. Then decide where to cut them off for the back corner. Next, add a roof ridge centered above the front face and project the roof edges back to the same vanishing point so the slope matches perspective. Then insert doors and windows. Draw them on each face with their own converging edges so they feel attached to the volume. Make corrections as you go, because alignment matters for realism. To finish, darken the final outlines and gently erase the construction lines so the shape reads cleanly. Add small details like eaves, a chimney, and siding lines to suggest texture. Choose a single light source, then apply shadows on faces opposite that light, darker under the roof and behind protrusions, to reinforce the 3D form. If something looks off, check alignment. Misaligned edges almost always mean a guideline missed the vanishing point, so redraw that guideline and adjust until the...
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.